mag-ready pa. Morning. Ako si Edgar. Ayan. So, sige, tanggalin na natin to para ma-test ride nyo rin. So, ito yung Fiido T1. Medyo malakas na motor to. Na bike actually. Patanggalin. So, ito tanggalin ko muna. But you can scan this for a manual.
Okay.
Pero may manual din nakasama with the charger saka yung mga tools niya.
Okay.
Sige, tanggalin mo muna.
Tapos I'm 5'9", 5'8", mga ganun. So anong seat
Papakita ko
height?
po yung minimum seat height capacity nito. Kasi doon sa it could accommodate much lower or much shorter. But this is the minimum.
Okay.
I-fit nyo muna bago natin turo sa inyo on how to operate the bike.
Sure.
Para yung saddle height, patay mo muna. Baka biglang mapindot ni sir. Yan, fit nyo muna sir.
Okay.
This is
Taas.
taas, diba?
Taas. Ito na yung minimum?
Yan yung minimum height niya. But kasi it does a step through design. So if you need to stop, disengage kayo ng konti. And then put the pedal in front to start.
Okay. So, okay, next step.
So, sige, baba mo na kayo sir
Okay.
para maituro ko sa inyo. Dito tayo sa may Now, yung key kapag nasa gitna, it's off.
Okay.
You can remove the key, but you can't remove the battery.
Okay.
Okay? Now, when you turn it to your left, so that's the, yung portion where you can remove the battery.
Okay, so
unlock.
2 clicks will unlock the battery. 1 click will turn it on. Tama?
Leftmost to unlock the battery, middle, off.
Okay.
Battery stays. Turn it on, right.
Okay.
Okay? Pag naka-right yan, hindi na matatanggal yung key ko. Parang susi ng auto.
Okay.
Naka-fix na yan dyan. Then, eto, may lever dito to lift the saddle and to
Okay.
put it back. Now, to turn it on, sorry. Long press dun sa button na to, M button. Yan. So, it has a fully charged battery. Now, to change the level, yan. So, it has level 1 can run up to on the throttle. So, it's 16.
Okay. 16 km?
Yeah, 19 pala.
19 km.
Ang tumataas pa.
Okay.
Level 2 can reach up to
30, mga ganun. Yeah, I think I'll do level 2 na lang.
actually, kasi we tried it. Ang level 5 niya, ay level 3 niya, can run up to 50.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, how to use the bike? So, when resetting the speed level, same button, it will return back to level 1.
Okay.
Okay? Now to turn on the lights, long press here.
Long press.
Short press, I mean. Okay, magkakaroon ng icon ng light yon. It will turn on. So it has a high and low beam.
Okay.
Okay? And may ilaw siya.
Sa likod. Yeah.
Pero hindi siya brake light.
Ayun nga, ayun. So it's not
Ano
brake
siya,
light.
parang park light lang siya.
Okay.
So turn it off, short press ulit. Now, this is very simple machine to operate. Busina. On the level 1, you can choose 2 ways. Alright? You can use the throttle, but it consumes purely the battery.
Okay.
And then you can use the pedal assist sensor. So when you turn sometimes it needs to turn
Konti.
full
Okay.
before engage the motor. But once you engage the motor na, parang putol-putol, it will engage na continuously.
For level 1 lang yan.
All the levels.
Okay,
When
okay.
using the pedal assist. So yan, it has a hybrid brakes. So actuated pull pero dual piston na rin to brake on both pads.
Okay.
And yeah, adjustment ng fork niya. So you could use this knob to make it more rigid. Yan.
Ano yung default?
Default niya usually is in the middle. So, sige.
So,
Try scooting.
this one?
Yes. You don't need to pedal po.
What level is this?
Right.
1, okay. I can pedal. I can pedal.
Ututod. Yun, you could ride the bike under the rain, you could wash the bike. Water resistant, pero hindi siya waterproof. So avoid natin na mag-submerge or lumubog. Iba kasi yung nasusok sa baha.
Yeah, I mean, if the baha is
Well, gutter deep, kaya pa niya.
Kaya pa.
Oo.
Okay.
And yung big tires niya will push the water sideways. Diba? Parang auto.
Okay.
Okay na kayo.
Sige.
Sama yung bike.